In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach emails to calendar events in Outlook. Before we dive in, it's important to note that in the newer version of Outlook, you can't directly attach an email to a calendar event. However, there's a simple workaround that will allow you to include the email's contents in your event description. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you aren't already logged in, you'll see the option to sign in, so go ahead and click on that. Enter your login details carefully on the sign in page, making sure that everything is spelled correctly to avoid any missteps. Once you've double checked, click Next to continue. Now, you should be taken to your Outlook dashboard. Here, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll find a collection of icons, and what you're looking for is the calendar icon. Click on that to open up your calendar view. Once you're in the calendar, you'll want to create a new event. Usually there's a new event button that you'll click to get started with entering your event details. Now that you're in the event creation window, you'll see various fields for adding information about your event, such as the title, the date, and time. However, since we're focusing on attaching emails, scroll down until you find the event's description box. This is where the magic happens. Though you can't technically attach an email, you can copy and paste the email's content directly into this description area. To do this, simply switch back over to your email, highlight the text you want to include, and copy it. Then return to your calendar event and paste the text right into the description field. You can also type additional notes if necessary, supplementing the email content with any context or extra information that might be useful for your event. Once you've filled in the description with your details, go ahead and review all the information to make sure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied with your new calendar event, hit the Save button to make sure all of your changes are stored correctly. And there you have it. While it might not be the traditional way of attaching emails, using the description field in Outlook calendar events can still help keep all your information in one place, enhancing your scheduling experience. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time at any step, and hopefully these tips make your Outlook workflow just a bit smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.